Hey, good afternoon to you. Chuck here at Pals. So we have a new customer here. It's Saturday. Her name is Samantha. So Samantha, tell us why you're here today.
So my brakes were being symptomatic and squeaking and just not acting right. And the shop that I normally go to is only open Monday through Friday, and I work Monday through Friday. So with the referral of a tow truck driver, I looked up you guys and you're open on Saturdays. So I came in today.
So here you are.
So here I am.
Well, that's great, Samantha. You know, and we found that you had an axle seal leaking, and the axle seal was a problem with the brakes. It had contaminated the brake pads with the gear lubricant. So we got new axle seals, got the brakes back together. You'll have plenty of years of driving after this, because those brakes will last you a long time. Anyway, we're so thankful that you came in on a Saturday. And there are lots of people that are like you that work during the week and just can't get away or have to take a day off from work in order to get their vehicle done. So if you need something done on your brakes or any part of your car, we're here on Saturday for you. So bring it to Pals. Hope to see you soon.